There are a lot of times when women go for emergency contraceptive measures, but often they are also confused with regards to, is it really effective? What are the pills that you should go for? When to use them? Is it really safe to use the emergency contraceptive measures? Well, if you are someone who also has all these sort of queries, then this video is for you. This is me, Mini Devan, and you're watching The Health Site. What is emergency contraception? Emergency contraception pills, also called as the morning after pill, is a form of birth control that women can use within 3 to 4 days of having unprotected sex. Another alternative of emergency contraception is an intrauterine device. It's a long-term birth control measure. IUD is considered quite effective and is inserted into your uterus by your doctor. Now let's understand when to use it. Emergency contraception alternatives can be used to prevent pregnancy if you recently had sex. Try and consume it soon after if you did not use a condom or if the condom broke or slipped off after your partner ejaculated. Are emergency contraceptive pills safe? Yes, although it is safe to consume the contraceptives, yet if you have any allergies or any other diseases, one should always consult the doctor. Also, these contraceptives helps in preventing pregnancy. It won't be useful if you are already pregnant. How effective are the pills? Reports suggest contraceptive pills are about 89% effective if you take them within 72 hours of unprotected sex. Yes, one can take it up to 5 days after having sex as well, but the sooner you take them, the more effective they are. Well, I hope this helps. Don't forget to share this information with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to be aware, stay healthy and stay fit.